Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. In today's episode, we are going to talk about the explosiveness of Zilliqa because it is about time. You see, Zilliqa is going to explode in the month of June because they have exciting stuff such as the Zilliqa Ethereum bridge, which is almost complete. The development and preparation, when it comes to rolling it out, is almost done. So this is obviously going to bring a lot of liquidity because Zilliqa is going to be leveraging and just taking advantage of the market value and just trying to capture the type of value that Ethereum and the Ethereum network has had in the past few years. And this is obviously going to help propel the price and value and usefulness of Zilliqa to just sort of skyrocket. And the other thing which is going to happen is NFTs are going to be coming to Zilliqa pretty soon, and I think by the month of June, right, like in mid-June, we're going to be like full blown, and this particular market is going to be like really solid as far as Zilliqa is concerned. So if you guys have been following the Zilliqa team on Twitter, you would have obviously noticed like these guys have been talking about NFTs coming, and they have rolled out quite a lot of different promotion as far as Zilliqa football stars are concerned. So if you guys don't really know anything about soccer, aka football, Diego Costa is like really a big deal, one of those well-established Premier League, La Liga, type of player, and he's very well respected. And when it comes to such promotions, right, at least we see the validity and the authenticity of this particular project. So this one is obviously hashtagged Zilliqa football stars, and they're just trying to like sort of build your anticipation, and I'm sure something is probably cooking right now. And there's quite a lot of different developments, like the ZIL survey, and there's also the X Academy. So if you take a look at the X Academy, right, this is some sort of NFT marketplace which is going to be coming, or rather this is going to be like a tokenization of YouTubers, some sort of DeFi solution, and just basically being able to like monetize your sort of popularity and your influence as a creator. So this is something which is obviously very interesting. So if we take a look at the XCAD network, so these guys are saying XCAD network is a Zilliqa powered global platform harnessing the power and value of content creator audiences with the aid of tokenization and NFT technology. So these guys are basically trying to go and they're trying to like deal with the NFT industry plus the tokenization, because tokenizing your value right now is something which is like really a big deal. So this is one of the reasons why non-fungible tokens have obviously exploded in the past few days. So obviously Zilliqa is trying to like grab a little bit of that market and just do very well in this particular niche. So obviously the companies that are going to be sort of dominating this particular sphere, right, these are the companies which are going to be very explosive, because the theme of this particular bull run is probably non-fungible tokens. Like this is the ETH type of factor when it comes to like finding your explosive cryptocurrencies, because we obviously witnessed Bake explode a few weeks ago because they introduced the NFT marketplace, which happens to be the very first NFT marketplace on the Binance smart chain. So you have to remember that Zilliqa is its own ecosystem. Zilliqa is its own blockchain. So they have a decentralized exchange in terms of ZWAP. So yeah, ZWAP is the token behind, it's the governance token as far as ZWAP is concerned. And then they also have GZIL, which happens to be the governance token for Zilliqa. So a lot of you have been wondering like, hey Muna, how can I get really filthy rich as far as the Zilliqa ecosystem is concerned? So let me give you a very good secret. You see, you can really make a lot of money sort of finessing the different types of projects which are going to be sort of released on the Zilliqa ecosystem. So if you guys do not really know about this website, zilstream.com, so basically this just shows the amount of total value locked in as far as the Zilliqa ecosystem is concerned. So as you can see right about now, the Zilliqa ecosystem is growing, yeah, and right now we are experiencing like a little bit of down days. It's all right, but right now, as you can see, the total value locked is around 182 million US dollars, and the 24-hour volume is about 5.5 million US dollars. So these are, you know, coins, or rather projects which are sort of thriving and living on the Zilliqa ecosystem. So one thing that we have to be rest assured about as far as Zilliqa is concerned is the ecosystem is growing. So if you guys have been around these particular ends as far as cryptocurrency is is concerned, is, for example, the reason why the Binance ecosystem is explosive is because they have a very good ecosystem which allows them to sort of rely on, or rather within its ecosystem, to propel itself towards the next level. You know, the Binance ecosystem has got the Binance exchange, it has got the Binance smart chain, it has got decentralized exchanges, PancakeSwap, BakerySwap, and they have like a whole lot of useful muscles and moving pieces that really make the whole entire system thrive. So this is obviously what we need to see with regards to competing blockchains such as Zilliqa. We need to see their ecosystem grow. So if we have such projects such as XCAD network, which are going to be adding value to this ecosystem, then we are doing very fine. And if we look at different projects such as ZWAP, right, we have to be monitoring the volume. Is this particular platform growing? Is it doing very well in comparison to the way that it used to perform previously? So if we look at these different metrics, right, we're going to be able to sort of understand where the whole entire Zilliqa ecosystem is going. So getting back to my initial point, right, in order for you to like make quite a lot of money, because if you take a look at the market cap of Zilliqa right now, it's only about 2.4 billion US dollars, but you have emerging projects such as XCAD, which are going to be sort of live pretty soon, and they're going to be sort of trading on this particular platform. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to take advantage. So as you can see right over here, right, these guys have been probably giving out some airdrops, and right now you can actually do some sort of mining, if I'm not mistaken. So just dig deep with regards to this particular opportunity, and I just try to see how you can either get to like stake and earn X Academy. So as you can see right over here, stake USDT and KuCoin /ZIL to mine XCAD, because XCAD can really do very well. I'm really sure that you guys are going to be able to like make a 10x, because I know quite a lot of people who made a lot of money. They made a killing from GZIL. Remember GZIL, right? GZIL was being offered for free. There was airdrops and there was the ability to stake, and people really did end up multiplying their money. So while you're waiting for the price of Zilliqa to explode, yes, the price of Zilliqa is going to go to $1, and I really believe that the price of Zilliqa is going to go above 60 cents by the I think by the end of July, okay, because we have like so many things which are going to be announced in the month of June, and I really believe June is going to be like a turning point as far as Zilliqa is concerned. So this is one of the reasons why you need to take advantage of the ecosystem. Whenever you see like a new project, oh, by the way, did you guys take a look at package port? This one was also a very good project, and it's actually occupying the third spot right over here as far as the Zilliqa ecosystem is concerned. And then we have ZWAP and GZIL. So all these coins, you guys could have made quite a killing, because they really ended up having like a very high market cap, and you guys could have really made quite a lot of money. So you can also provide liquidity as far as ZWAP is concerned. You can do quite a lot of stuff. So do not just wait for the mighty ZIL to sort of start pushing. There's other ways of earning money. So take a look at XCAD, see how you can sort of earn some XCAD for free, or how you can use your existing ZIL tokens, because a lot of you have just like packed your ZIL tokens. You can actually get to use them and make them work for you and earn extra money. All right, so just don't leave your ZIL tokens, let them make money for you. Put them up and stake them, add liquidity, obtain some new coins, and just do what you have to do. So that's all I wanted to talk about today. So looking at the basic stuff like the market cap, the market cap is around 2.4 billion US dollars, and this is an easy 10 to 20 to 50x from now, depending on how these guys are going to be executing. So far, as far as marketing is concerned, I mean, these guys are doing very well, and they are very reserved. They are sort of white hat marketers. They have a lot of ethics. They are very ethical, and they don't really have those tendencies of overhyping stuff. So this is one thing that I like and hate about them. As a Zilliqa bag holder, not really bag holder, because I'm in profit. I've been talking about Zilliqa for the past, I don't know, you guys already know the business, right? You guys already know the deal. So I'm all in profit right now. But it wouldn't hurt if sometimes they can do some guerrilla marketing and just go crazy with the marketing, so that people can go extra mad, and the prices can really explode. But I understand, it's a legit project with legit people behind it, people who are long term. So sometimes it might take a little bit longer. So it's okay. We are going to be patient. We're going to be patient enough. So the 24-hour trading volume is around 222 million US dollars, and if we take a look at the most active markets, these are probably Binance, right? So we've got the ZIL/BTC and the ZIL/USDT pair right over here. So these are having like a combined volume of around 53 million. So these are the exchanges. I don't know, they might have some dodgy sort of metrics. They could have some fake stuff going on. So yeah, I would rather just concentrate on Binance, and so far there's about 53 million trading volume as far as Zilliqa is concerned. So the other thing that I really wanted to remind you is take a look at where we are coming from. Okay, so since 2018 May 19th May 2018, right, we are right now holding this particular previous all-time high, which was resistance. Remember, these days in March, we were failing to break through this particular area, but eventually we did manage to break through it. And even though we did dip right over here, right, we obviously ended up regaining this particular position, and we are beginning to use this previous high, which was the resistance, and we're using it as support. So as long as we're going to be above 19 cents, I'm probably going to be very satisfied, and more higher prices are going to come. So obviously when it dips below 19 cents, get a little bit concerned, but right now I really believe that us going back to around 15 cents, that's going to be the most extreme price value that the ZIL token is going to drop down towards to and 15 cents is obviously going to be very, very extreme. If it does go to 15 cents, best believe it's going to be bought back in a snap of a finger, and it's going to be down very, very fast. So there's obviously nothing to worry about right now. And since the Bitcoin dominance is probably shifting towards the altcoins. I really believe that altcoins are going to begin their explosive journey and momentum, because right now obviously Ethereum is taking over, and usually the cycle has been, first of all, Bitcoin does its usual pump, then Ethereum, then altcoins. Okay, so this is one of the reasons why we have to be ready for the next wave of cryptocurrencies which are going to be pumping. So obviously the high cap cryptocurrencies have been pumping, and they are going to pump, and then we're going to have like the mid caps and the low caps as well. So there's probably plenty of time to make a ton of money. You just have to like do the right thing. So just like I told you, right, this particular hack has really helped me to make a lot of money, where I can get to like leverage these emerging projects and just take advantage of them by staking, receiving airdrops, and just making sure I ride them from the bottom towards the top, because not a lot of people know about XCAD. Not a lot of people know about this particular project. Only probably intense Zilliqa fans know that this is going to be kind of dropping towards the Zilliqa ecosystem. So you guys are privileged enough to like get in on things which are not really even out there, so yeah, this is pretty big. NFTs are going to be like very, very huge. So this is one of the reasons why you just have to be very patient. So as far as TA is concerned, so let me just give you like a very short and brief technical analysis as this particular dump is concerned, right? So obviously the past 48 to 24 hours we did end up kind of dropping, right? And we ended up sort of creating this particular triangle. So if I flip over to the smaller time frame, so let me go to the 24-hour time frame, right? So this is the trading range that we kind of formed. If you guys notice this particular area, I'm using the body closers, and yeah, I'll put it like there, okay, something like that. So as you can see right over here, we did end up forming this type of range, and we ended up dipping. So this particular action right over here is known as a swing failure. So obviously I'm using the small time frame, right? After the swing failure pattern towards the bottom was kind of reversed, we obviously ended up being bullish, and we ended up pumping. We ended up sort of breaking this particular high, and right now we are using this particular resistance because first of all, when we sort of got bought back up, this is an up fractal right over here. If you guys know anything about William fractals, then you know what I'm talking about. So we did end up pumping, boom, and we ended up sort of facing resistance right over here. We did bounce from the lower end of the range, and then again we found some resistance right over here, and we broke out of this particular range. Then the bulls did come back in, and eventually we did break out right over here, and now we are using this particular level, which was the resistance, we are using it as support. So if this happens and continues to happen, this is probably going to be like a very good thing for the price of Zilliqa. But sometimes we might end up dropping into this particular trading range. If we drop into this particular range, right, we need to see the price of Zilliqa hold around 18 cents, give or take. Worst case scenario is going back to these particular lows, like around 17 cents plus some change right over there. So that could happen as well. But due to the fact that there's like a lot of there's going to be like a lot of demand for the price of for ZIL. I'm sure it's going to do very well. And it's going to be 60 cents pretty soon. And right now, if you take a look at the previous all-time high, right, the recent all-time high was around 25 cents, and we are literally 21% away from this particular level. So once we go above 30 cents, if and when we go and start trading above 30 cents, right, the price of Zilliqa is going to explode. I'm telling you, because the bulls are going to be unleashed. Everybody's going to know about Zilliqa. So do you have the patience to wait for that moment to happen? So I'm patient enough. And I'm really excited as far as the Zilliqa ecosystem is concerned. I really think the growth is very organic and very healthy. It's moving like at a very moderate, pace, and it's going to get there eventually. So yeah, that's all I have for you. It's been your boy Muna, aka Beyond 10x, and talk to you a little bit later. Subscribe to my YouTube channel in case you guys are new, and I'm going to be dropping like new bangers. This time around I'm back. I am super back like the Terminator. And so I'm going to be talking to you like in a few hours. I've got some more Binance Smart Chain gems that I really want to like share with you, because this time around I'm on fire. We're going to make like a few millionaires on my YouTube channel. So yeah, hit the bell notification, drop me a comment in case you've got any other recommendations, and just any other contributions as well. So talk to you a little bit later. It's been your boy Muna, aka Beyond 10x. Happy trading, and talk to you soon.